Hey guys, good morning. I also want to come on and give you guys some free game. Let me tell you something. Pay attention to those people that want to teach you versus the ones that just want to put you on. See, there's some people out there that would just want to put you on to things, but there's only a few people that want to teach you things. Some people want to actually be the one that feed you, while some people actually want to be the one that teach you. So don't be the person that gets sucked into oh, let me teach you something only and give you food. So there's people out there that like to feel like, they feed people things. But there's other people that are out there that teach people how to go get their own. See, that's how you pay attention to if someone really want to uplift you or someone want to suppress you. People that want to suppress you, they give you things. That people that want to uplift you, they teach you things. You got to know the difference between the two because they all feel like someone is doing something good for you. So be careful for those that want to uplift you versus people that want to suppress you. Suppression is dependence. Upliftment is independence. And when you get to a place where you could start adding value, when you start adding value, that's interdependence. So pay attention because like I said, they all feel the same. You just got to know the difference. Some are here to uplift you, some are here to suppress you, and some are here to make you a partner so they could build with you. Pay attention.